Hey guys, how's it going? Max here. Let me show you something incredible. A new tool we have developed completely for free for everybody to use, especially if you're inside the Rocket Launcher University. Rocket Launcher MCP. Let me show you what it can do and how easily you can add it. So, what is the idea, of course, that we can research websites. This tool allows you to research any website completely for free, and it will tell you exactly what is wrong with it. We just take, we say, hey, can you use the Rocket Launcher MCP to do a full audit about this website? Boom, okay, you paste in the text, let it run, and then you will see it will find the Rocket Launcher connection. I will show you in a moment how you can easily install it in one click. See, this is our little tool. And again, it's completely for free, and you will see what it can do. It will blow your mind. It will extract everything which is bad about the website, everything what is good about the website. See, let's have a look. Server response. Server response is bad. You can see where the website is located. You can see no IPv6. SSL certificate, 100. Security headers, see? Only score of 83. Content missing. These are all things you can use in your pitch whenever you're trying to sell a new website or a better website to any local business. I just picked a random one here. I just looked on Google Doctor in London, but you can use any website. Sorry, let's go back over here. Text email security 100%, which is very good. The tech stack, guys, you can now see every available technology which they are using on their website. This is pure gold. They're running WordPress, the Divi team. You can even see which team they're using. E-commerce. They're running WooCommerce. Email reviews. See, they have pixels, and now this website appears to be pretty well. But imagine you have a lot of websites that don't have a pixel. They're not running Google Ads. This one is pretty good. You see, it has reviews, but we could do another example. Well, I'll be honest, this website is pretty good. It has SEO 100%, very good. Page quality, carbon, sorry, but this is insane. Look, this technology, I built it for you guys just to help you. It's completely for free. Open ports, you see that it's crazy, almost like we're pretty much like what a hacker can see. You guys can now use it completely for free. And then there's a link to join the community. Now let's do another example. Let's go to Google. We can find, for example, let's say you have a fitness club in New York. Just, sorry, an example. Solace, New York. This is a fitness club. Let's check it out. You see, it looks like a good website. We go back over here. Now we say this one. Analyze this website, do a full audit with the Rocket Launcher connector. Okay, while it is running, I will show you how to install it. So what you need to do is you go to your Claude account, you go to settings, okay, then connectors, and then you press add. Now first I need to copy the link, which is over here. This is what you need. Let me zoom in. This is the only thing that you need in order to use this connector. It's called rocketlauncher.ai/MCP. I'll put the link in the university. If you're not already inside, please join. It is completely for free. Let me show you over here. This is our community. We teach so many cool stuff. We have a lot of free tools coming out, Go level trials, so many cool things. There's already 1,600 people from all over the world in the community. Everybody's welcome. Now, back to the video. So I'll put the link in the community. You grab it, and what you do is, sorry, let me zoom out again. So again, go to settings, connectors, add connector, and add a custom connector, you see? And then the only thing you need to do is you paste this link in here where the MCP is supposed to be. rocketlauncher.ai/MCP, and you give it a name, for example, Rocket Launcher MCP or Rocket Launcher Scanner, whatever. Now, this thing, it's not even necessary. I built it so you don't have to do something complicated. The only thing you have to do is connect these two things. Then you press add. Of course, because I already have it connected, it's going to say you already connected. But for you guys, it will just show up. Then you will come to a new screen where you can click it. And this is very important. What I have done, I've given my permission for Claude to use the connector, you see? So I put it on always allow. When you first open it, you will find it like this, needs approval. And that's really annoying because it will always ask you for approval. So you just put everything on, boom, that's it. And then you're good to go. That's the only thing that you need to do. Now let's go back over here. See, remember we analyzed this website. Aha, see this one, it gets only a score of 70%. Ooh, security headers, 42%. You see, and now comes the cool part. Okay, so because now, blah, 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 I'm going to go quickly over it. And we can say, hey, Claude, okay, nice. Now, can you do more research on this website and make the perfect email where we can pitch the owner that we are going to build him a much better website based upon all the flaws that we have found. Execute. And once the email is ready, of course, you can use the 30-day free trial, which we have from Go High Level. And I'll show you exactly how to take all of the images and all the information from his website and build a completely new, fresh, much better website, a smart AI website. And we'll do this in the next video. So if you want to see how this story continues, please like the video, subscribe, join the community. I'm going to show you how to land clients like this every single day. They'll pay you thousands of dollars just to build them a better website. See you guys soon. Hope you enjoy the connector. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you want me to build something else, improvement. If you need any help, I'm here to help you. See you.